This is Tommy. He's 18 weeks old and 1 day. Yeah. It's August 22nd. Hey, tell us, baby. Tell us about it. Goodness. Yeah. He's getting big, huh? He's getting big, huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. Let me see him. Yeah. Goodness. He barely fits this way in his pack and play anymore. Last night he slept in his own bed all night. Of course he got up twice. Yes, sir. He's the Wiggler. Alrighty, say bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye, baby. We'll see you soon, camera.